Welcome to Attendance Keeper. Let's walk through the simple steps to create your account. Start by filling in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Make sure to use an email address you have access to, as you'll receive an OTP for verification after registering. Next, enter your company name, select your country, and choose the correct time zone. This helps in tracking attendance accurately for your team. Now, let's focus on setting a strong password. It's crucial to choose a password that is secure. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. Strong passwords protect your account from unauthorized access and keep your sensitive data safe. Finally, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and click Register. An OTP will be sent to the email address you provided. Enter the OTP to verify your account and complete the registration. That's it, you've successfully created your account on Attendance Keeper. You can now log in and start managing attendance with ease. Remember, your password is the key to your account security, so always keep it safe.